3,500 feet, we just have it.
In this video, we're going to explore locating the annual inspection and the ELT inspection in our maintenance logbook. The first step is to procure the maintenance logbook for the airplane we are about to fly. Typically, we'll have to go to our maintenance office to find it. Once we have the maintenance logbook, we'll need to locate the correct section to find the inspection we want. There are 4 sections: airframe, engine, propeller, and avionics. The annual inspection we're concerned with and the ELT inspection will be located in the airframe section of our logbook. You'll notice that there are many pages in each section. The longer the airplane's been in service, the more pages it will have. We're going to need to go through the various pages and eventually find the most recent entry. This airplane actually has 2 airframe maintenance record logbooks because of how long it's been in service. We'll need to go to the end of the second one to find the most recent entry. Similar to a pilot logbook, the most recent entry will be on the last or near to the last active page. Once we find the last active page, we'll go backwards maybe 1 or 2 pages to find the most recent entry. In this case, the annual inspection is highlighted, and as you can see, both the annual and ELT are recorded in the same entry.